My name is Dr. Effie Hapsha, and I'm the founder of Women in Dentistry. We are so excited to be hosting our event again this year on Friday, April the 5th, 2024. This will be the 14th annual symposium, and this year we've included 3 hands-on workshops the day before the symposium on Thursday, April the 4th. This promises to bring the symposium to new heights with educational opportunities for everyone who attends. We have an incredible lineup of speakers, including Dr. Sonia Lazy, Rina Talwar, Dr. Sally Safa, Tracy Hendler, just to name a few. Our concurrent session, which is run by Ms. Carrie Lepacek and Robin Shields, promises to bring our team members and dental hygienists informative and educational content. As always, the day will be filled with a lot of fun and some surprises, and of course, the day will end up with a beautiful cocktail reception. And if you guys have been to the event in the past, you'll see that this one is even bigger and better, with more opportunities for more education, including hands-on content. So if you haven't signed up already, mark your calendars for Thursday, April the 4th and Friday, April the 5th, and plan on joining us for the 14th annual Women in Dentistry Symposium. We look forward to seeing you then.